From the book 100 Favorite Hymns from Thomas Nelson, the hymn I Must Tell Jesus. If you've ever shared something with the wrong person, then you are aware what poor confidence people can often be. Sometimes they fail to sympathize with what we're going through. Other times they make our personal pains public. A secret shared with the wrong someone can result in a lot of regret. Or maybe you made the mistake of not telling anyone about a struggle, believing that you could handle it on your own. There are some things that no one understands except Jesus. Elisha Hoffman wrote, I Must Tell Jesus, in 1894. Hoffman served in many churches and chapels around Ohio and is credited with the writings of thousands of gospel songs. We don't know what trials or burdens his lyrics allude to, but we can certainly imagine some of our own while singing them. We have all dealt with discouragement and disappointment, bitterness and betrayal. Although several verses of Scripture seem to have been on Hoffman's mind as he wrote this hymn, one clear passage is Hebrews 4:15 through 16. We have a high priest who understands and sympathizes with our weaknesses. Because of this, we can come to him boldly, approaching his throne in times of trial or temptation. He, in his compassion, will extend mercy and grace in our time of need. Whatever it is you've been trying to handle on your own, you can tell it to Jesus.